Antoinette and Jessica, court is in a short recess right now, but Dr. Paul Zeisel, a forensic psychologist, has been on the stand all morning long. This is his second day of testimony. He's the defense witness who met with Lindsay Clancy in early February of 2023. He's testified that he evaluated her over dozens of meetings, totaling some 35 hours. Attorney Kevin Reddington asked Zeisel if he believed Lindsay Clancy lost substantial capacity to appreciate the wrongfulness of her act, or that she was unable to conform to the law because of mental illness. Dr. Zeisel testified that was his finding. Now, to be clear, he met with Lindsay after the 3 children were killed in 2023 and went over her medical records from the months before. This morning, Reddington asked Zeisel what he found in Lindsay Clancy's records from January 7th, 2 weeks before the children were killed.
December. Did she have, at this point, intrusive thoughts continuing regarding voices in her head that she heard constantly?
Yes.
What were these voices saying to her?
They were getting worse, and they were telling her to kill herself.
My question to you, though, was where in the records from September to January 23rd or 2022 did she tell any of the providers she saw that she heard a voice telling her to kill herself?
It's not in the records.
In all of the times over the course of the last few years that you've met with Ms. Clancy, how many times has she told you since the incident that she's heard a voice currently?
She has not heard voices since the event took place in 2023.
In the last hour, the prosecution has gone over the notes from Duxbury State Hospital, where Lindsay Clancy is staying, pointing out the notes from the anniversaries of the killings and each of the children's birthdays. Each date, the hospital recorded similar behavior by Lindsay Clancy, not noting any behavioral issues on those days. Dr. Zeisel's testimony continues this afternoon. We're live in Plymouth. Jennifer Egan, WCVB News Center 5.